guys, good morning. I just woke up and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for you guys because I look ratchet at the moment. Look at my hair and my double eye bags, you know. It's horrible. I'm gonna fix this and come back. Did you like the slow-mo, guys? Look at me, I look so pretty. Oh yes guys, I look so pretty. Seriously, I look pretty. Cause I don't need anybody to tell me I'm pretty, I look pretty or something like that. By the way, today I've gone extra. I wanted to be extra, you know. So for my lips, I applied the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick and then added my pout paint on top of it and created somewhat like a gradient lip color, which is really pretty. It's kind of like a pinkish purplish color. For my eyes, I've got pink eyeshadow and winged eyeliner. I also did a little bit of smoky eye and I also applied pink underneath my waterline and some sparkly eyeshadows in my inner corners. And I love this look, guys. It's so cute and I'm going to a party soon and I'm thinking I might do this eye look. It will look so pretty with my sari, which is also in pink color. Look at the eyes, guys. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but I might, you know, change my mind because I like to do that most of the time. But very pretty look, guys. I like it. Anyways, update about my piercing, guys. It was bleeding yesterday and it's kind of painful as well. I don't know why I was bleeding yesterday. Maybe I was, you know, turning too much last night or what, but it started bleeding this morning and I applied some solution to, you know, to clean the blood and stuff, but very painful and kind of itchy as well. So that's the update about my piercing. Anyways, as you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to do my shoe collection videos. I keep all of my shoes in a rack. I will insert the picture right over here. I got that one from B&M and it's really handy and saves me a lot of space. You can just hang it in the door and you can hold, I believe, more than 20 shoes in that hanger and it's really good, guys. I will do part 1 today and part 2 later when I have time, cause most of my shoes, they are scattered all around my house, so I have to, you know, collect it and film a video for you guys. Today I will just do whatever there is on my hanger, and without any further delay, let's go ahead and see my shoe collection. Look at this, guys. I brought the whole rack in my bedroom to show you guys my collection, so please give me a thumbs up for that, guys. It was really heavy, so I will show you everything one by one, okay? I know guys, it's already over 9:30 and I'm eating my breakfast right now. I'm eating exactly the same breakfast like yesterday. Eggs, sausage, toast and some cereal. Cheers! Yummy breakfast! Look at this guys. This is the situation after filming a shoe collection video. I have too many shoes. I know I used to be a shoe collector at one point, but now I'm like little bit settled down and I don't buy too many shoes at the moment. But yeah, I have too many, so let's go ahead and put this back. All done. I know my shoes are kind of dirty, but it is what it is. And let's count how many shoes I have at the moment. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So I have 18 shoes at the moment in this rack, and I love this rack. Highly recommend you guys. So I got a problem guys. I took out the shoe rack but I can't put it back. It's really heavy, so I have to wait for my husband. I will ask him to hang it back. I can't do that. Sorry hubby. While bringing the shoe rack inside my room, I had a big problem. Look at that. I almost broke it. I don't know what you call this, but it's really sexy. I love it. Let's put this back. I just love it guys. It looks so pretty when you untie this one, but it's little bit annoying to go in and out, so I just, you know, did a life hack and hold this with a rubber band. I got this one from Bournemouth. I forgot the shop's name, but it was a little shop and they were selling these types of curtains. I don't know what do you call these, but it's really cute. I love it. So guys, it's almost lunchtime and I'm cooking some yummy lunch. It's gonna be so good. Let me show you what I'm cooking now. I was craving some spicy, you know, Kerau ra aloo ka tarkari. So I'm making Kerau ra aloo ka tarkari. I have already uploaded a recipe, shameless plug. I'm gonna leave the link for you guys in the description bar below. यो चाहिँ मैले अलि different method ले बनाएको छु, तर जुन त्यो अर्को recipe छ त्यो चाहिँ झनै मिठो छ to be honest. So definitely give it a try. मेरो भात पनि पाक्दै छ मेरो mini rice cooker मा. Isn't it cute? I got this one from Hong Kong and paid around 200 HK dollar for this. It's so cute. I really love it. Mero Kerau ra aloo ko tarkari is ready. Looks so delicious, but you can't see it very well because it's so hot. So this is my lunch, and this is the Kerau and aloo ko tarkari, which came out exactly how I wanted. It's so spicy and thick. Love it. I'm also eating tomatoes, cucumber and plain rice. Yummy! Just finished my lunch and it was so delicious and spicy. Exactly what I wanted guys. And I have lipstick all over my face as usual. Look at my mom guys. My brother, sister and my mom, they are going to Singapore for holiday. I know, it's so exciting. She also uploaded a live video. Have fun. Mommy, bye and bye. Drum roll guys, fun Q&A, cause why not? So I'm gonna reply some fun random questions for you guys so that you guys can know me better. Egg, ham and cheese sandwich. That one is so good. I just love it. Favorite season? Summer, and I hate winter, especially when I'm here in the UK. It's the worst guys. You don't want to come here when it's winter time. I don't know. I like my name given by my family, but if I had to choose one, no idea guys. It's really hard for me to pick a name. Maybe the rain or the Beach Waves. I forgot the name, but I can tell you the story what happened. One time I went for a movie night with all my friends and their husband, and oh my god, they were so naughty. They told me, oh, it's just a simple, you know, thriller movie, it's not scary at all, and I just believed them. And we went inside the trailer, and the movie was so scary at the beginning, and I was like, it can't be scary movie, maybe it's a thriller movie, you know. And seriously guys, it was one of the scariest movie of my life, and I didn't watch the full movie because my face was inside the popcorn the whole time. So that's the story guys, but I forgot the name, but it was really scary. नेपाल को चाहिँ अनमोल केसी, obviously. Bollywood movie को चाहिँ रणवीर सिंह, अनि Hollywood movie को चाहिँ Rock. He's kind of handsome. So those are my celebrity crush. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome and I love you all. Bye.